3. Secrets to running profitable TikTok ads in 2025. Are you spending money on TikTok ads but not seeing results? Or maybe you've been too nervous to even start because you don't know where to begin. In this video, I'm going to share 3 powerful secrets that top marketers use to run profitable TikTok ads in 2025. And at the end, I'll show you where you can get a step-by-step system to shortcut your success. Secret number 1. On TikTok, the creative is everything. Unlike Facebook or Google, where targeting is king, TikTok thrives on content that feels natural, entertaining, and native. If your ad looks like an ad, people scroll right past it. That's why using user-generated content, storytelling, and quick-cut formats is key to grabbing attention. Secret number 2, smart targeting. Instead of overcomplicating your targeting, TikTok's algorithm actually rewards broad audiences. The trick is letting the algorithm learn while testing a few creative variations. This way, the platform does the heavy lifting to find the best buyers for you. Secret number 3, scale the right way. Most beginners turn off ads too quickly or double their budgets overnight. The smarter way is to scale gradually, duplicating winning ad sets and slowly increasing spend. This keeps your results consistent and avoids crashing your campaigns. Now, these 3 secrets are just scratching the surface. If you want to learn the entire system for creating, launching, and scaling TikTok ads that actually convert, there's a proven program called the TikTok Ad Strategy Accelerator. This training is beginner-friendly, shows you exactly how to build campaigns from scratch, and even includes templates you can copy. If you're serious about using TikTok to grow your business in 2025, this program is a shortcut that saves you from wasting time and money. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more marketing strategies. And remember, TikTok is one of the fastest growing ad platforms right now. Don't wait until your competitors beat you to it. Start today with the right system.